it's Sunday, which means it's Sunday reset day. I just got ready for the day. I just changed out of my PJs and put on clothes, but we gotta reset because it's also daylight savings day, which like personally I think sucks because now it's gonna be darker later and brighter earlier, and like it's 7:30 and it's already like 2 o'clock, so that kind of sucks. But we got to reset for the week. We have a very busy week coming up, so we just want to, reset. So we're gonna start the day off by making my bed. Oh, also the mattress keeps sliding that way, so we're gonna move that really fast. So now the bed is made and the window's open, I'm going to put up some dirty dishes I have and make breakfast. For breakfast, I'm like not too hungry, but it is important to eat breakfast, so I'm just gonna have some peanut butter and a banana. So on my to-do list today, I have record a podcast episode, study for my exam tomorrow, and go to Walmart and teach my yoga class because I'm so excited to share that I am teaching the first part of a yoga class today. It's like my mentorship into teaching yoga by myself, so I'm super excited about that. So that is what we will be doing today, and I think that's about everything. Oh, and like cleaning, but I like to clean as like study breaks because it makes me feel better and like more productive. So let's start with the first thing on the checklist by recording a podcast episode. If you don't know, Adventures with Sara P, the podcast is on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, and YouTube. I just created a YouTube channel for it, so you can watch me record the episode of the podcast because I know listening can sometimes be hard. So go check that out. I'm going to record an episode right now. I just finished recording the podcast episode, and I think it's going to be titled like Adventures and Trusting the Process, but it is out if you're watching this right now. It came out on Wednesday, so go listen to it. I think it'll be a very good episode, although I like never know because I can't listen back to myself. So hopefully it's good. But right now we're gonna put on the blue light glasses and start studying for my exam tomorrow. Luckily, my professor gave me a study guide for this exam, and so I've put it into Notability because that's where I like to take notes. And what I like to do is, so this is what he gave us, is just like the people that are going to be on the exam, important stuff, keynotes, whatever. And so what I like to do is I like to, on my computer, like find like the definition for each person. So like we're talking about James Franklin, Sam Adams. So I would like go on my notes, copy and paste like what I have next to their name, and then like put that on Quizlet, study that Quizlet. And then I like to like test myself and see like if I can fill this out with like the correct information. So we're gonna get started on filling this out. I finished filling out the study guide, and right now I'm going through the Quizlet and making sure I get rid of any information that I like 100% know. And so then it's just left with the information I'm like unsure of. So that's what I'm currently doing. So fun. Okay, that is enough studying for now. I'm getting a little hungry, so I think I'm gonna grab a snack and then start cleaning. Just because I found that when I'm like in the middle of studying or in the middle of doing something and I want to go on my phone, I'm trying to stop doing that and do something else. So for me, that's like cleaning on Sundays. During the week, that could be like running to the grocery store or like going to the gym to like go on a walk or something. So just doing that. So let's go get a snack and start cleaning. Grossed out. Look how much stuff was in my room. Ugh. Just a girl and her emotional support water bottle and Quizlet. Okay, it is 12 o'clock. The vlog has been posted for when you're watching this last week, but for when I'm filming this week, it was a day in the life, I think. But it's currently 12:16 and I'm just going over the Quizlet. I'm gonna be honest, I'm feeling a lot better for this exam, which makes me feel good. But at 1 o'clock, the Vikings have their game. They're playing the Atlanta Falcons. Hopefully we win. We'll see. But I've been snacking on some trail mix and I'm gonna work on the Quizlet probably till 1, have the game playing in the background, keep working on Quizlet. But at 2, I need to get ready for work, which is so exciting. I'm so excited to say that. So, yep, we'll just be grinding out the Quizlet till 2. Okay, I have the game up, and right now I'm about to make lunch. I think I'm just gonna have some veggie chicken nuggets and sweet potato puffs today. Lunchtime, and we're tied. Okay, so this game kind of sucks, so like not mad that I'm going to yoga right now, but I'm gonna get changed and head over to our campus rec center to teach my first lesson of yoga. So this is the fit for yoga. Okay, I am ready to teach my first yoga class. Well, part of it. Here we go. So I just got done with yoga. And I'm gonna be honest, the person that I'm mentoring was late. And so I had to go in there and try and teach this class by myself for the first 20 minutes. And you know what? We did it. We lived. We did give everyone a heads up. I was like, hey guys, this is my first time teaching a class. Please bear with me. And they said I did a good job. So, you know, that made me feel better. I do feel awful. That was definitely not my best work, but now I know what to improve on, so it's okay. And the Vikings, they won their game somehow, some way we won. But I'm headed to Walmart because I need to pick up some groceries and I want to buy a Christmas tree for my apartment because I want a Christmas tree because, you know, I don't know if anyone else's brain works like this, but it goes Halloween, Christmas, 3 days for Thanksgiving, Christmas. So we're going to get some Christmas decorations for the apartment and groceries. So let's go to Walmart. $110 later, we got a Christmas tree and groceries. I feel like grocery hauls are becoming a staple for the vlogs. So let's do a grocery haul. Bananas, shampoo, conditioner, fake nails for Nam because pageant season is among us and I'm so excited. A white eyelid pencil thingy, also for Nam. Tea, 4 can of peas. This giant thing of honey because they didn't have the smaller one, so we got the big size. Ribbon, veggie chicken nuggets, yogurt, peanut butter, a blend of fruit, a little microwavable meal, and lastly, my little Christmas tree. So I was wanting the little, well, it wasn't very little. On the Pinterest photo that's like blowing up on TikTok, it's a giant Christmas tree with blue ribbons on it, and it looks so freaking cute. And so I went to do that with mine, and it wasn't working out, but I did something else. And I really like it, and I think it's super cute. Like, look at that. Like, come on. Like, what more could you ask for? Like, that, so cute. Like, the mirror pics are they're gonna slay. So we got Pitch Perfect going on in the background, and right now I'm gonna make some dinner. I just made some rice, faux chicken, and peas, and we will be watching Pitch Perfect. Okay, so we finished Pitch Perfect. Good as always, and right now I'm gonna be snacking on some graham crackers and oat milk because that is my favorite snack at the moment. I don't know why, it just is. We're not gonna talk about it, it is what it is. But I'm gonna go over my Quizlets a couple more times before I head off to bed. But I just finished studying for the night and I'm feeling good for my exam tomorrow. I'm just going to wake up a little bit earlier in the morning, look over my notes one last time, and then go take my exam. So I'm feeling good, but I'm gonna go shower and call it a night. So this is the end of the vlog. If you made it to this part of the vlog, you are amazing. Thank you so much for watching all the way through. And you should comment the book emoji because we gotta study a little bit more tomorrow morning. And we're studious people. But thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you aren't already. And I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.